The future of coal, a two-year budget, and Wyoming's very low ranking in child health care were topics front and center at Governor Mark Gordon's news conference Thursday. Like recent governors before him, Governor Gordon wants a real two-year budget with any supplemental requests having to be emergencies or what he calls an urgent demand. Over the last 2 decades, supplemental budgets have turned into mini budgets in the general sessions of the Wyoming Legislature. Gordon wants to change that.
We're going to do our best to stay on task with the biennium budget. I'm certainly, one of a number of governors that have tried this, but I'm really going to try to stick to this.
We asked the governor if two-year budgeting would save the state money, especially in this climate of falling revenues.
The saving piece of that equation really comes from the work we're doing on efficiency, and hopefully by looking at a 2-year cycle, you start to look at what you really need. And I'm working with the legislature to see if there are ways that we can incentivize better savings and build a cost-conscious culture throughout our agencies.
In child-related issues, Wyoming has done much better than in the past in education and children living in poverty. But the Cowboy State ranks almost dead last in a national study of children's health. The study says uninsured children in Wyoming is double the national average. The governor admits he doesn't have answers yet, but he's working with top state health officials to find some before the 2020 budget session.
Bring together a task force with our insurance agencies to see what tools and what efforts we can apply to really address that issue.
Governor Gordon names former state economist Buck McVeigh as acting chief of staff and says he and the First Lady will be moving into the governor's mansion in early July. Robert Jiha, Cowboy State Daily.